Backfit feedback. First one we are doing about any Attack on Titan feedback. This scene looks so dark, but it's the dark like drama, like edgy teenager thing, you know? We are in a place just hanging out and we are in such a dark place. Oh, I don't get it. So the main thing here is getting the ambient light from the sky hitting the character and truly showing that we want the attention focused on the character's face. First thing that I'll be doing is using my two that I'm obsessed with, curves. In this case, I'll go a little bit more into the blues. Because think with me, her hair is blonde, yellow. And if we make everything more into blues, we can make lights passing through her hair. This should happen a lot, specifically because light colors of hair, they let the light pass through a lot, like a lot. So we should be able to see through this area in the hair. Do you see that right now? I just changed the blue channel. What I did here was to use blues against sunset colors. Because if we want drama, sunset is the way. Getting the reddish tones and everything brighter in the background makes her even more darker. But let's not get too much ahead of ourselves. So the thing that I did and focused here was making the light on the whole background much stronger, while I did the foreground everywhere around Annie's body darker with less saturation and more into bluish tones. Focus on not calling attention, because if I want to make the city and everything in the background looks cute, looks good, I gotta make everything that is more closer, a little bit closer, darker, and like bad colors. I don't like it. I always have the contrast of hey, you look so good, and hey, you look so bad. Hey, you look so colorful. Hey, you look so grayish. Hey, you look so happy. Hey, you look so sad. Oh, by the way, I used color dodge or probably soft light. I don't know which one, maybe overlay, but I did use a color mode to make it possible that I have the Annie's hair looking wow. I gotta pay attention to this area because it's saturated, it has contrast, it has a lot of colors happening. Always focus on that. If the foreground is darker, background gonna be brighter. And the opposite is also true. You want to create contrast to tell a story, to tell what is happening in your art, and make people look at it and go like, wow, such a professional artist, I love this, woo, like, woo. Also, I don't see the sky reflecting here. If this is metal, you gotta be reflecting, you gotta be like, swoosh, I'm so reflective. I miss some of these stones being broken. I feel like everything here in the stone area is too perfect. Like how no kid tried to just break it. I would be the first kid trying to break it. Let's go. Colored soft light. I want to make everything soft. Very soft, gentle. Whoa. This is the change that we did. Here, everything was very dark. And made sense. The objective is to be very dark. But if we want to show how dark it is, we gotta have a certain part that is very bright. That is absurdly bright. And it's close to Annie's face. Her face is shining bright. Her legs calling too much attention. Don't call it. Here you can call attention. These bending points, they do call attention. Control Shift X. I'm opening my liquify and now I'm changing your face. I'm giving plastic surgery to get more into semi-realistic. Where is the whiskers? All around the eye, darker, darker, darker. All around the eye, cats have such intense eyes, like, oh. We are focusing on changing the format of everything, making it look more wow. And the number one thing that I changed, other than the facial format, was the clothes, the kimono. I needed to add certain shadows in specific areas. Which areas? Close to the ring light, the light coming from the side, but also in points that I saw that the clothing was bending, because whenever I focus on the cloth bending movement, I know I'm going to get that right. That's right, champs, I'm going to get that right. So we gotta always be thinking and focusing, hey, am I getting closer to my main objective? If this cloth is going to have many details, am I doing the bending properly? Am I doing the shadow side properly? If the light's coming from the right side, am I doing the right side receiving more shadows, more light, or not enough light? Keep on questioning yourself. Don't go on automatic mode and just go in paint, 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 paint. Your hand can do a lot. Your hand can do absurdly great work. But when you're challenging yourself into something new, when you're trying to go to the next level, you gotta pick up your pre-cortex or frontal cortex and go like, okay, you gotta work, you gotta think while you're drawing. You gotta be actively using brain. That's right, big brain is important. We can grow our brain. Grow the brain growing formula. Yes, grow the brain. Some random hair strokes going out. We gotta have some of them going out. And here darker in the middle. Do you see I'm not caring about details at all? I'm just thinking, hey, it's darker, great, amazing, fantastic. Pick the background color. Add here. Just add, just add. No thinking, no thinking. No thinking, just doing. Oh, by the way, if you add some strong saturated red, orange close to the edge, it's going to look so good. Oh, it is. It is. Let me add a even brighter tone. Yeah. Oh, yes. Damn, yeah. Shish. I love it. That's right, Chip. You're amazing. Have a great day. Have a great night. You're amazing. Bye-bye. All the love of the peace. Peace. Wee. I'm addicted to Has Been Hotel. Oh, check out link in the description to my art course if you want to have me even closer helping you in your art journey. See ya.